Hi, welcome to You Done Retro. My name is Vincent and welcome to another video. Today I have an unboxing of the Zendure Mix 2-in-1 power bank and wall charger with USB-C power delivery. This is basically a wall charger. Looks a bit like the Apple chargers that you can get for their MacBooks, but what it has is it has a 5200 milliamp hours battery built into it, so this can be really handy. So as used as a charger, and obviously can be used as a power bank in a pinch. Given the size of the battery, we're looking at probably 1 to possibly 2 charges of a phone, but size of power in a phone these days is anywhere between 3 to 5000 milliamp hour batteries in most phones today. So we're probably looking at maybe 1 full charge of a phone, or maybe top up charges as you go along throughout the day. This is obviously the UK plug version. I'm in the UK. It uses power delivery, so it's PD standard, which is handy if you use something like I think Nintendo Switch uses PD, so that'd be quite handy if you're topping up your Switch. It's durable because Zendure have their unique ridged style on their power banks, so they are known for this. Obviously I already own I did a Kickstarter back when they first started out, and I got I think it was 16,000 or just a bit over a milliamp hour battery as part of the Kickstarter, and that's still going strong now. I use it when I go traveling, so that's been really handy. It's got pass-through charging, so you can be charging the power bank and obviously charging other devices at the same time. So it's the idea is a 2-in-1 design. There's not much else in the box. It does have compatibility. It says mobile phones, MacBooks, MP3 players, cameras, tablets, game consoles, e-readers, and the uses are it's got USB-C power delivery, 5200 mAh capacity, 7 plus adaptive charging, which is their own technology for pass-through, I believe. Long-term standby, that's given. I've left my other power bank. They use quality cells basically, so you can leave them lying around a little bit longer, charged, and they tend to be still quite effective some time afterwards. It's a multi-protection safety system, premium internal battery cells as I mentioned previously, so they use good quality batteries inside, and a USB-C, free USB output. And it says ZD Mix 1 battery cell, premium high density lithium ion, 5010 mAh as I mentioned before. So as a plug, it's got a high output up to 3 amps used by USB-C, and it's 18 watts. And then the standard USB-A's 2.4 amps at 12 watts. So I can charge at a total output of 18 watts. So it's shared basically between them both. As a power bank, you're getting 12 watts of power out of it at any one time. So any of the ports can provide up to 12 watts. And there's 2-year warranty. It's really handy. Okay, so let's just rip this apart. I believe they go for their lidded design as done before. Now, I've used some of their smaller single stick batteries, and they're quite handy as well, because they're actually normally those single stick ones are like the cheap 2000 milliamp batteries that you get in every single like cheap charger basically. But what I found was Zendure ones were like 3000 or so milliamp hours. So even that's small. They're a little bit bigger, So that was a slight difference. Outside of that, it wasn't a real massive change at all. So we're opening this. So we're at quality packaging. Little plastic window here. It demonstrates how they will normally use it. The window serves no purpose, so I just opened it, and all it does is show the battery bank charger thing. Whereas the lid is actually where it's at, so it's from above. Doesn't open very easily. It's somewhat slightly frustrating that you have to do this. Basically, oh, there we go. Again, there we go. And then you pull it from the bottom. Well, it's quality, and I can't even pull this out here because it's a bit frustrating. Oh, come on. It's been a bit of a jolt now. Oh, there we go. You have to push the little. I was pulling both ways. I wish I had done that. So that's the charger. Let's actually pull this out. Good quality thing there. I believe you can probably pull this off at some point, but it looks like it's fixed in. So they probably made all this internally. Looks like they probably have 2 of those cells inside, and then it's got 2 USB ports, Zen Plus, and then you got the power delivery USB-C. Comes with probably some charge. There you go, 3 bars of charge. You can see that. I think you hold it down a bit longer. There you go. It's a very solid power brick there. All the standards. It's not super heavy. It's a bit heavier than obviously a normal charging brick, given the battery, but you basically put in 2 in 1, which is quite handy for day-to-day use. I think you've got a charger, you don't have to worry about it. Also in the box you get probably the stickers. Yep, Zendure like to give these little creative stickers. I think they've been different almost every time I've had them actually. Enjoy the ride, winter camp. So you're basically carrying this around to go travelling basically. 24-month customer care. There you go. And then charge your device, charge it up. So this is really cool. Nothing else in the box. At least I presume so. Doesn't look like there isn't. Don't want to miss the charging cable. Nope. Got you just plug this straight in and it charges up. So there you go. Now I do note that this is probably older stock at this point, because Zendure are releasing a more powerful version, which is a 30-watt version, which is going to be really handy for use with the newer MacBooks, which obviously take more power. Obviously, even though this is 18 watts at charge, if you're using the newer MacBooks, they're generally a bit more powerful and they take a bigger power battery basically. And if you start charging your devices, you kind of won't be able to charge faster than you're using it. So this will charge a MacBook, but admittedly slower than the standard charger. So just be aware of that. But yeah, I think this is a good quality device. I look forward to using this in the future. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video.